In this video, I'm going to show you how to check latitude and longitude in Google Maps. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Play Store or App Store on your iPhone and Android. In my case, I'm using iPhone, so I'm open App Store and make sure you have Wi-Fi connections. Then searching for Google Maps and tap on here and check your Google Maps is up to date or not. So if you update it, then tap on open. It will open your Google location maps. Then select your location that you want to know latitude and longitude. For example, I want to know this area longitude and latitude. For example, if I select any of locations, then open review, and as you can see, there is no option to show latitude and longitude. Then go back to map, then select any blank area without this name labeling and tap and hold, and it will open another pop-up options, and here showing drop it pin near locations, and it showing estimated time to drive, and here it is showing latitude and longitude. So you can just copy it on your clipboard, then you know this area latitude and longitude. Then you can share to other, like if I share to other people, like that person and that person will easily get this location with this longitude, latitude and longitude. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.